Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw the Mario character, King Boo. King Boo is this awesome, basically it's like a king, obviously, version of Boo. And it's super simple, super easy. It's for beginners, step by step. And I'm going to go through it with you. If you're a fan of the Mario franchise, definitely stick around. And okay then, let's get into it. Pay attention. I'm going to be using this marker right here. This is a Crayola magic marker. You can get this anywhere. If not, I'll try to put a link in the description. You can just buy it off Amazon. It's super, I think it's like, if you buy it in a set, it's like $5, but I think it's way cheaper if you just buy it on its own. So, right now, simple character, let's do it. I'm going to start with Boo's hand. It's just going to be like a nub. The thing I love about the Mario, okay, so now I'll talk after I do this. I'm gonna pull large curve. Large curve. And the thing I like about the Mario characters is that they're very simplistic but very attractive looking shapes, and that's what's the cool part about it. So that's kind of a round curve. I'm gonna pull a curve down here, and we're gonna throw a little nub for the back of the tail, and we're gonna connect these lines here. I'll try to even that out a little bit later. So you have kind of Boo's overall shape and body right here. Now, we give him like a crown because he's a King Boo. I'm gonna throw a little crown, really easy, 3 little prongs. A ball at the end of each prong. And if you want, you can throw the crystals, just like diamond shapes, 3 of them, across the crown itself. Throw a line inward, down, tooth, tooth, tooth. Do 4 teeth, you can do 5. But those are the teeth for the inside of his mouth. Got the sharp teeth. Not that sharp though. Pulling down, that's the far side of his mouth. His tongue is going to be sticking out of his mouth. And that's essentially a curved line and another round curved line. Inside of the mouth. One curved line. Another curved line. It's going to be for the top part of his eyes. A dot. And then another dot. It's going to give him these furrowed eyebrows and make him look like this angry character like he is. That's pretty much it, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a thicker outline to the entire thing. I think it just looks better, more presentable. Gives it an interesting look. Kind of makes it look like a sticker. And I think this top line needs to be a little bit thicker for me. And that's it. That is King Boo. I really hope you enjoyed that. I hope that was very easy to follow. That was the point of it. And that's pretty much it. If you want a little bit of color, we can maybe do that since this character is the character is very black and white. This is kind of a bonus thing here. If you grab maybe something near a red colored pencil, and I'm just using the same brand, by the way, Crayola colored pencils. This is a cardinal red I'm using. For the tongue, I'm gonna look for a kind of slight yellow for the crown. I have a yellow here. So this is a straight plain yellow for the crown. And that is it. I really hope that you enjoyed that. Thank you so much. Please comment. I reply to every single comment. Also, there's a cute drawing ebook I'm going to put in the actual description. Check that out as well. And that's pretty much it. Talk to you guys later. Also, in the description, I'm going to put a how to draw cute ebook. Basically, it's 10 pages on how to draw anything in a very cute way. It's totally free. It's free as of right now. I might charge for it one day, but right now it's completely free. Just I want to give out free content right now, and that's it. So I had a lot of good responses from it, and thank you so much, and I will talk to you another day.